Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sumit Kumar Gupta, and today's video I am going to share with you a complete step-by-step guide on how to prepare your MBA project for Alagappa University. If you are pursuing an MBA from Alagappa University, then you know how important the project is for your final assessment. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you will clearly understand how to choose a topic, write the synopsis, preparing the final report, and submit it successfully. So stay tuned till the end because I will also share some expert tips and how you can get direct help with your project report. So let's understand why the MBA project is important. The MBA project is important because it gives you the chance to apply your classroom knowledge to real-world situation. It reflects your research skill, analytical abilities, and practical understanding of management concepts. Most importantly, it adds value to your CV and helps in placement as well. Okay. Now, let's talk about choosing the right topic. Okay. So the first step is selecting a relevant topic. Your project topic should be connected to your specialization, like if you are from marketing, if you are from finance, human resource operation or system, operation system or something like that. And what are the example of the topics? I'll just tell you some examples. Like if you are in marketing, you can choose topics like impact of digital marketing on consumer behavior, right? And if you're from finance, a study on non-performing assets in Indian banks. If you're from human resource, employee job satisfaction and retention strategies. So these are some topics stream wise you can select, right? Now, I'll show you the guideline of the project report of Alagappa University, which is here. Uh, let's talk about the project report. Okay, so let's go to the guideline. Now, how you can make the project report is I'm just telling you every truth about the guideline. Now, first of all, you have to understand what are the main things that has to be included in your project report. Okay, so the title chosen should be related to respective elective, right? And it shall be almost 75 pages. You have to understand it, that your project report must be of 75 pages. Another thing is you have to use A4 size only in your project report. So while making it on your Word file, MS Word file, be sure that you're making it on A4 size and printing also on A4 size only. Now the second thing is font size. Font size must be 12 points. Like you have to set the font size on 12 points. Now the font Time New Roman should only be there as a font for your project report, right? Now let's go to the, these are some things that you need to be understand. You can download this guideline from your browser and read it for a specific information. I'm just telling you the most important thing that must be understood before submitting your project, right? Now see, the project should be of this format, right? The project title must be there first. After that, the certificate. Then you have to add declaration. I'm gonna give you the common structure of this here, okay, in the video at last. Another thing is you have to add acknowledgement, then table of content, list of table, and introduction. The first chapter you have to include is introduction and design of the study. Then company profile must be there as a second a chapter, then a study concept, right, and then a summary, findings, suggestions, and conclusion. But here I think one chapter is missing, which is about the topic. Okay, which is here I'm gonna give you. So this would be the very first page of your project report. Then this is declaration. Then you have to add certificate has been added. Then you have to add acknowledgement. Then you have to add table of content, and the table of content would be same as I told you earlier. The fourth chapter would be related to your topic. It must be within, as per your particular specialization, HR, finance, marketing. So the chapterization will be introduction and design of the study, company profile, study your concept related to topic, summary of findings, suggestion and conclusion, bibliography and questionnaire. And in this way you can continue your project report. So this was all I told you about the guideline and project making process. Now uh, just a minute, I'm gonna tell you some common mistakes to avoid while making your project. So don't copy paste from the internet, you have to remember it. Do not like always define your objectives clearly. Okay, citation must be properly there, and bibliography must be given at the last. You have to submit it with proof reading. Okay, so avoid these common mistakes that people do. So friends, this was the step-by-step guide to preparing your MBA project for Alagappa University. If you follow these steps carefully, you will be able to complete your project confidently and successfully. And as I always say, if you still feel confused on sort of time, or if you want a ready-made customized project report, then you can contact us directly for project report preparation and project help. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more university project guidance videos. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best for your Alagappa University MBA project. Thank you very much. Have a great day.